Boost is a great way of increasing horsepower, and turbocharging is a particularly simple way of adding boost. The other great thing about turbocharging is how easy it is to turn up the boost when you're ready for even more power. And that's where boost controllers come in. So the first thing we're going to look at is how a turbocharger system regulates boost. Wastegates regulate the flow of exhaust gases through the turbo, and they come in two different types: internal and external. An internal wastegate is part of the turbocharger and is formed in two parts: the wastegate actuator and the wastegate valve. External wastegates are normally mounted on the manifold before the turbocharger, and they have the benefit of not being limited in size by the size of the exhaust housing. Wastegates are held closed by a spring and are also referenced directly to a boost source, normally from the turbo. The spring holds the wastegate closed until such time as the pressure from the boost source, the turbo, reaches the same pressure as the spring pressure. Once that boost level is reached, the wastegate will open enough to divert exhaust gases away from the turbo to maintain boost pressure at the wastegate spring pressure. There are two types of boost controller: manual and electronic. Both work on the same principle of diverting boost pressure away from the wastegate so that it stays closed longer, allowing the turbo to produce more boost. Say we have a wastegate that allows 5 psi of boost, and a boost controller configured to divert half of the boost away from the wastegate. Then the wastegate won't see 5 psi until the turbo is actually producing 10 psi, or double the boost. So effectively, a boost controller is a calibrated leak designed to trick the wastegate into staying closed for longer.